This is a 360-degree experience of Dundonald Castle. You can look around in any direction using your finger, mouse, trackpad, or by physically moving your phone or tablet. For the most immersive experience, watch using a MetaQuest 3 or similar headset. This ruined castle on a hill in Ayrshire was once home to a king. And not just any king, the man who founded a dynasty that would go on to rule Scotland and later Britain for over 300 years. This is Dundonald Castle. Perched high above the surrounding land, its position wasn't chosen by accident. From here, you can see for miles in every direction. It was a place of control, of authority, and of status. And in the late 14th century, it became one of the principal residences of Robert II of Scotland. Before he became king, Robert Stewart spent years consolidating power across Scotland. The country was still recovering from decades of conflict, and the royal line was anything but secure. But in 1371, he was crowned King Robert II, the first monarch of the Stewart dynasty. That moment changed everything. The Stewarts would go on to rule Scotland for generations and eventually unite the crowns of Scotland and England. Their influence would shape the course of British history for centuries. And this castle was part of that beginning. Dundonald wasn't just a defensive structure, it was a statement, a royal residence designed to reflect power and permanence. If you imagine this place not as a ruin, but as it once was, complete, occupied and active, you begin to understand its importance. From above you can see exactly why this location mattered. High ground, clear sightlines, control of the surrounding landscape. This was a seat of authority. And down here, walking around what remains, it's a very different feeling. The walls are broken, the rooms are gone, but the structure still carries the weight of its past. This was once a place where decisions were made, where power was exercised, where a king lived. Robert II didn't just inherit a crown, he established a legacy. The Stuart dynasty would endure through wars, political upheaval, and eventually union with England. And Dundonald Castle stands as one of the places where that story began. So while today it may look like little more than a ruin on a hill, this was once the home of a king who helped shape the history of a nation.